Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Telegram only send messages to mutual contact issue. Or in other words, it simply says that you cannot send to non-mutual contacts. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to fix this, there are a couple of things you can do. First of all, you have to open the Telegram app and then tap on the search icon in the top right side. And here you have to simply search for a bot that says spam info bot. As you can see over here, that has a verification check mark, which is official bot. Just make sure to tap on it, and once it starts, and as you can see, it says no limits are currently applied to your account, you are free as a bird. And then you will send this message, but I can't send messages to the non-contacts. And it says, has your account been limited recently? You just have to tap on no button. And here it says it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once. Such limits are temporary and will soon be removed automatically. Please try later or subscribe to Telegram Premium to get less strict limits. So one thing you can do is you can actually wait up to a couple of hours in order to fix this. Or the other thing you have to do is you have to simply upgrade the Telegram Premium, but obviously that is not what we want. But in most cases, this bot is going to fix our issue. But if it doesn't, then I can also offer you an alternative solution. That is, open up to your Play Store and in the search bar, just search for Telegram and you can download this application Telegram X, which is also the official Telegram app itself. So you want to make sure to simply install this application, log into your same Telegram account, and you will have as many features as a normal Telegram app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.